Welcome to Fresa Technologies blogs. We'll be looking at how to cancel the shipment in Fresa application. First, open customer service module. Then select all shipment menu. Here search the required shipment which you want to cancel. Then click edit on the shipment. Here you can see the change status option. Click the option. Here you can see the list of status. Select cancelled from this list. Here enter the remarks if required. And then click save. Now the shipment has been cancelled successfully. This is how to cancel a shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.